All right, hello there. So I have been doing these videos with no commentary that are kind of long and just walking through the raw process. And on one of them, I created a return spell, sort of like a town portal scroll in Diablo. I wanted to walk through how I made that real fast in case you just wanted the sort of tutorial aspect. This is not a difficult skill to make, so we'll start by creating a skill called the return skill. We're going to apply basic settings, give it a cost, a menu screen only, and a scope of none, and tell it to run the common event return. In our common events, we're going to tell it to set a switch to on called return active, and then assign three variables to the map ID, the player mapX, and the player mapY. Then we're going to use a sound effect, a screen flash, and transfer the player to a location. That location is right here. When that switch is on, this crystal will be visible by setting it here. When this crystal is visible, the player can interact with it, and when they do so, they have the choice to go back to where they were at which point it plays the same teleport sound, the same screen flash, turns the switch off, and returns them to that variable point, the map, and then the X and Y. So it's really that simple. You go ahead and show you how this looks. Okay, so let's pick a location. We'll go over here by the fire. And we're going to go to skill, alias, return. It's going to warp us. And here we are. And this could be from any map. And then when we want to return, we can say, do we want to return? No. Just stops it. Do we want to return? Yes. And warps us right back. All right, that's it. Hopefully this was helpful, and I hope you're having a good day. Happy game making. Please consider a like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Bye.